Hi there, I'm going to show you how to start a partnership in Wisconsin. So all filing is done with the Department of Financial Institutions, and you will have to send your applications by mail because the online filing system in Wisconsin is only available to LLCs and corporations. So the first step we recommend you take is to perform a business entity search of the department's name database to see what names or what business names are currently registered in the state. So if you click on the link here, this will take you to our tutorial on that procedure so you can perform a search and then find out if your name is available. With the name chosen, you can then begin the actual filing process by clicking the link here corresponding to your entity type, where you will download a PDF file, you will submit the requisite information, and you will send it to the Department of State with a filing fee, and the filing fees are listed here. And for a better description, let's take foreign limited liability partnership, for example. It'll take you to the tutorial for that, where in step 1 you will download the application by clicking on the link, and then you will submit the information listed in step 2, and then when the information is submitted, you will print off the application, sign it, and then forward it to the address here with a filing fee attached. This fee is payable by check made out to the Department of Financial Institutions. And that is essentially it. If you are a foreign entity seeking registration in Wisconsin, you will be required to include a certificate of good standing, just so you know. And lastly, in the tips section here, there's a couple important things. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a number issued by the IRS to identify businesses for tax purposes. This should be obtained as soon as your registration has been completed. And foreign entities will most likely be in possession of an EIN already. So this mostly applies to domestic entities. You can learn more about that by clicking on the link here. A partnership agreement is not legally required in Wisconsin, though we highly recommend that you take a moment to view the benefits that this agreement can bring to your business. Essentially what this is a written agreement between the managing members or partners stating the rules and regulations and manner in which the entity and its members should operate. So again, it's not legally required, though we highly recommend its use. So click on the link here to download our free template in MS Word or Adobe PDF formats. And lastly, a renewal must be filed for all limited liability partnerships and not limited partnerships. But limited liability partnerships will be required to submit an annual report with the Department of Financial Institutions. There is no official documentation or official forms for this, but a written document can be sent, and the contents of which are described in the state legislator, which is located within the link here. So that's it for filing. I hope this helped. Good luck and take care.